What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Looking for Deals channel. On today's video, we're gonna be unboxing mystery box from Barton's Discount. Um, this is gonna be an apparel box. I paid 65 bucks for it. I don't know what's in here. All I know that all that the website said is that it can be t-shirts, sweatshirts, tank tops, or hats. Yeah, with that said, let's get right to it. So here we have black t-shirt, small. It says husband, daddy, protector, hero. Pretty cool. I don't sell clothing, but I wanted to see what they had. I also bought another general merchandise mystery box. I'll be doing a video of that later on. Here we have another. This one is Hope for a Cure for breast cancer. Size is extra large. This one, I don't need an alarm clock. I have a cat. Purple large. All of these are brand new. Whoa. This one I might keep for myself. Ah, it's too big. But yeah. Here we have Michael Jordan, Last Dance, size extra large. Again, these are all new. I don't know how many are in here, but I don't know at the end. Let's see how much each will cost me. Here we have the best dad in the galaxy, size large. Here we have a sweatshirt. You can never have too many books. Size 2XL. If you're hearing some running around, those are my two dogs downstairs playing around. Here we have a I don't give a rat's ass sweatshirt, size medium. These shirts most likely will not go to eBay. They'll be sold locally. Here we have this one. Another sweatshirt. So far they're all been Fruit of the Loom shirts. And God said, let there be a July girl. Here we go. Oh wow. This is a hoodie. Black Justin Bieber hoodie. Size extra large. From the Yummy song. Not bad. Another hoodie. This one is Alpha. Size small. It's a skating hoodie. You know, some tank tops. In Installing muscles. Size medium. Here we have another tank top. United States flag, Germany flag. My nation, my heritage. Again, I paid 65 bucks for all of this. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Niagara Falls. Another tank top. Oh. For the Capricorns. For the aunties. Here we have a bag. Team Peters lifetime members. Don't know who they are. You have another bag. Assuming I was just an old lady was your first mistake. Never assume shit. Another bag. Oh, another bag. We have an elephant. For the grandmas out there. I guess these are like shopping bags. Here we have a long sleeve hoodie. Pink. A little turtle. This is another long sleeves hoodie. It's a little big. Extra large. Can't read what it says right there. I'm not gonna say it out loud. Do what I want when I want. Yes, sir, I gotta go ask my wife. This is extra large. I'm guessing this are good for like flea markets and like to have a garage sale. This is a Love 316 shirt, extra large. Daddy's Girl shirt, large. For the dog fans. I wonder where all these shirts come from. For the grandma, or for the grandsons about the grandmas. Vintage 1981, The Soul of a Witch. That's my year right there, 1981. My 12th birthday, the one where I was quarantined, 2020. Kind of sad. But yeah. Pink t-shirt. V-neck t-shirt. I don't care what day it is. It's early and I'm grumpy. Here we have made in October 1979. If you're here hard breathing, those are my dogs. Over here being nosy. Papa, the man, the myth, the legend. This is for like a grandpa. Cheerleaders, V-neck shirt. And black woman, beautiful, magic, intelligent, resilient, love, powerful, influential, unapologetic. Size medium. For the 1984 babies. Size extra large. For the Leos. This is black tee. The daddy shorts, size extra large. For the dads, this one seems to have some printing stuff there. The only one so far. I got my mind on my honey shirt. This would be for like a beekeeper, a big beekeeper. It's 3XL. Pre-K virtual graduation class of 2020. Quarantine. Size small. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Something we need a lot of these days. Just be kind. This one is size large. Have a couple more left. You are my sunshine. Black tee. Size medium. This for the truckers. Size large. Here we have an extra large pandemic COVID-19 t-shirt. extra large blue, baby blue. Cut this shirt and use it as a face mask. Makes sense. July girl. T-shirt. Again, these are all brand new. Here we have this one, that Zilla. Size medium. And the last one, size extra large. I'm guessing that's Kobe and Gianna. So yeah, let's see how many we got. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 48 items on this box. 48 items divided by 65. $1.36 each. So by selling for like $5 each, $5 each, that's 240 bucks. So it was a good investment. Everything is brand new. Except there was only one shirt that had a little defect, but other than that, I'm pleased with the t-shirts. Good condition. There are a lot of niche shirts, but you just gotta find the right buyer for each one of them. So we'll see how this goes. I don't do clothing much, but I just thought I'd give it a try. So yeah, again, this is from Barton's Discounts. 65 bucks for the whole thing. I think it was worth it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't ask for anything else. With that said, see you guys in the